Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Locate the RJ45 jack on the laptop or identify the correct USB to Ethernet adapter, because the physical connector must match. Once done, inspect the cable end for the plastic latch and straight pins. A damaged cable causes link problems. Make sure the laptop is powered and awake. Disabling Wi-Fi helps verify the wired link. These quick checks speed the process and prevent fumbling when you plug in the cable. You now connect the cable. Align the RJ45 so the latch matches the port slot, then push firmly until it clicks. This secures contact and prevents packet loss. Once connected, open network settings and look for link speed or active status. It confirms negotiation between NIC and switch. If you used an adapter, allow the OS to install drivers or manually update via Device Manager. Make these checks promptly, because an established link avoids timeouts and slow transfers. You finish by validating connectivity. Run a ping to the gateway or load a web page to confirm packets traverse the link. If you don't see a connection, make sure the plug is fully seated, try a different Ethernet port, or swap cables to isolate the fault. For USB adapters, reinstall drivers and try another USB port. Sometimes a firmware or driver update resolves negotiation and speed mismatches. This single troubleshooting tip, receipt and swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.